Welcome to my channel. Join me today as I challenge myself to create a passive income stream that actually works, so I can earn money while I sleep. Imagine waking up every morning to find money in your bank account that you didn't have to work for. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this is a reality for many successful entrepreneurs? Earning passive income is a game changer for busy entrepreneurs like you and me who want to achieve financial freedom without sacrificing precious time. As entrepreneurs, we're no strangers to long hours, sleepless nights, and endless to-do lists. We're always juggling multiple tasks, trying to stay on top of our game, and often sacrificing our personal lives in the process. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from this cycle and earn money without constantly grinding? The truth is, time is our most valuable resource, and we should be using it to grow our businesses, not just survive. Many entrepreneurs struggle with the idea of creating a consistent income stream that doesn't rely on their presence. They worry that if they're not constantly working, their business will suffer. But the reality is, building a business that can run without you is the key to true freedom. Think about it. When was the last time you took a vacation without checking your emails or taking work calls? When was the last time you could truly unplug and recharge? The fear of not being able to provide for ourselves or our families is a real one, but it's also a limiting belief that holds us back from achieving our true potential. By diversifying our income streams and creating passive revenue, we can finally break free from the cycle of burnout and build a business that truly supports our lifestyle. So, what are some ways to earn passive income as an entrepreneur? Well, there are many options, but some of my favorites include creating and selling online courses, affiliate marketing, and smart investing. With online courses, you can share your knowledge and skills with others and earn money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote products you love and earn a commission for each sale. And smart investing can provide a steady stream of income without requiring your constant presence. I recently came across an inspiring story of an entrepreneur who created an online course teaching others how to cook vegan meals. She created the course once, and now it earns her thousands of dollars every month while she focuses on other projects. Another entrepreneur I know earns a five-figure income through affiliate marketing, promoting products he loves and uses himself. These are just a few examples of how ordinary people are creating extraordinary passive income streams. Sarah, a successful entrepreneur at mom too, was struggling to balance her work and family life. She was working long hours, sacrificing time with her kids and feeling burnt out. But then she discovered affiliate marketing and created a passive income stream that earned her $10,000 a month. This allowed her to quit her job, spend more time with her family, and focus on growing her business. Today, Sarah is living her dream life, and it's all thanks to the power of passive income. So let's recap what we've discussed today. We've talked about the importance of earning passive income as busy entrepreneurs and explored some of the common struggles we face when it comes to time management and financial stability. We've also looked at some of the ways we could tap into passive income streams, such as online courses, affiliate marketing, and smart investing. And we've seen how these strategies have transformed the lives of real entrepreneurs. Earning money while you sleep is not just a pipe dream. It's a reality that's within your reach. So I want to hear from you. What's your favorite passive income idea? Share it with me in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on how to create a passive income stream that actually works.